What's today, girls?
Valentine's.
Valentine's? Can you say Happy Valentine's Day?
Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day.
I love you.
I love you. Cheese.
Blow Mama a kiss. So, blow Mama a kiss. How old are you?
3.
How old are you?
2.
Okay, very good. What are you guys having for breakfast?
Cereal.
What?
Cereal.
Cereal. What'd you get in your Valentine's treat box today?
I got a dress.
You did? What else?
Socks. Candy.
Yummy.
And candy. And also a new bucket.
You got candy too?
Yes.
Oh, yummy.
My stuck.
Okay,
Stop.
all right. Tell Mommy bye-bye. I'm going to turn the video off. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you.